Welcome to the Backstroke tutorial. Backstroke is an easy to do one-card twirl that you can do with the deck still in your hand. It is inspired by Andre Jake's Bullet. Where Bullet aims for a very fast and furious look, I wanted Backstroke to have a more continuous, smooth movement. You can do the move in one hand or with the other hand as well to create more extra spins. Let's get down to learning Backstroke. Backstroke. To do backstroke, first begin in dealer's grip, thumb, index, middle, ring, pinky. Using your index, slide the card forward like so. Press down on the edge of the card to cause the card to pop up. And using your index finger, slide the card sideways like so. This creates a small gap at the back of the card. Using your middle finger, press against that corner of the card and you're gonna twist your middle finger and index finger like so. One more time, you're going to twist it like so. So when you do that, the card is forced to rotate and flip onto the deck like this. Next, using your thumb, press down on the side of the card and release the card from your fingertips. Using these three fingers, you're going to raise the card off the deck. Using your thumb, press sideways towards the fingertips. This causes the card to flip and you're going to flip it onto the deck. To do the two-handed variation, you're going to do the same movement that you did in your left hand between these two fingers in your right hand as well. So you're going to go here, pull the card out, twist it, flip it, and instead of gripping it with your thumb and pulling down, once this is flipped, grip it with your index finger and thumb like so, and your middle finger approaches from the back to flip the card like you did before. Once that is done, you can return it to the deck. So yeah, there you have it, Backstroke. Not too difficult, is it? Right now, I want to give a shout out to the awesome Manaki Thibault, Joel Almeida, Jack Liu, Sebastian Gopok Siu, Andreas Gar, 301 Cardistry, Troy Howell, Theng New Yen, Kevin Ho, and all our awesome patrons. It wouldn't be possible to produce this series without them. To all the other patrons watching this video, please do check out the new post on our Patreon page for the update with regards to Season 8 of School of Cardistry. Until next time, bye bye.